This current form of bird flu, a strain called H5N1, has been circulating in birds around the world since late 2021. It has infected and killed countless wild birds, as well as led to the culling of tens of millions of birds on poultry farms across the United States. The first human case in the U.S. was in 2022, in a prison inmate in Colorado who was working on a poultry farm. The case in Texas is the country's second. In a press briefing Wednesday, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, Director General of the World Health Organization, said the agency is in close contact with the CDC. Any case of H5N1 is concerning because it is highly dangerous to humans. Although it has never been shown to be easily transmissible between people, Tedros said. While the two U.S. cases have both been mild, H5N1 infections outside the country have had a high mortality rate. 4 cases in Cambodia were reported in February. 1 patient died. In 2023, there were 6 cases in Cambodia, 4 of which were fatal.